Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great. In our today's video, we are going to discuss about articles. Now let's see what are articles and how many articles are there. Well everybody, we learn articles and start understanding them at very young age. So can you all tell me how many articles are there? 1, 2 or 3? Yes, there are 3 articles. Now let's see what are those 3 articles. Those articles are a, an, the. Everyone, in our English vocabulary, these 3 articles are very important. We must know how and when do we use them. We are going to start from an. Let's see when do we use an. We use an with vowels. Well, this is quite famous definition of use of an, which is incomplete. Everybody, we use an with not only vowels but with vowel sounds as well. Whenever you are putting article an before a noun, you must know whether the noun is starting with the vowel or it is giving us the sound of vowel. Now the question is, what are vowels? Well everybody, there are 5 vowels in English alphabets out of 26. Those vowels are a, e, I, o, u. Which mean whenever you'll see a word, a noun starting with a, e, I, o, u or giving us the sound of a, e, I, o, u, you are going to put an before that noun, before that thing. Understood? Let's see few examples. Here you can see egg. Other picture is about a man, old man. Now egg starting with E. E is a vowel. Very good. So we'll write an egg. Same rule goes for old man. O is a vowel. So we are going to write an old man. Another example. Umbrella. Angel. Umbrella. U. Starting with U. And U is a vowel. So we'll write an umbrella. Same goes for angel. Starting with A. And A is a vowel. So we are going to write an angel. Now I told you that we don't use an only with vowels but with vowel sounds as well, alright? Now let's see the examples of vowel sounds. Here, what have I written? Hour. Honest man. Both words are starting with H, but I am going to write an before them. Why? Well, the reason is the word is starting with a consonant, H, but H is silent. Which sound is coming? Hour, hour, honest, honest. See? That is why I told you whenever you are putting article before a noun, before a thing, before a word, you must notice whether the word is starting with a vowel or vowel sound. Alright? I hope you understood it well. Now, let's see use of a. Well everyone, we use a with consonants, or you can also say we use a with a word, with a noun which is not defined. For example, glass, lemon. See, here specification is not mentioned. And both words, both nouns are starting with consonants. So we are going to write a glass, a lemon. Alright? Now use of the. We use the with the word with the noun which is specific. Or you can say we use the with definite things, definite nouns. For example, Faisal Mosque, the Faisal Mosque. Solar system, the solar system. To specify a thing, you are going to use the. And I mentioned that you are going to use the with these things, with definite nouns, with the defined particular things. But there is another rule that you are not going to use the with certain things, with certain names. Now let's see. Do not use the before the names. Names of what? Well everyone, you are not going to write the before the name of a country, name of a person, name of a city. For example, the Pakistan. Pakistan is a country, right? So this is wrong. The Karachi. Karachi is also a name of a city, alright? So you are not going to use the before it. Same goes for the name of a person. The Janet. You are not going to write the before a name of a girl. So this is also wrong. Well everyone, I hope you understood the topic well. We have discussed 3 articles and those articles are a, and, the. In this video, we have discussed that we use a with consonants or indefinite nouns. We use an before vowels or the nouns who are giving us vowel sounds. And the will always be used with definite nouns but not with the name of a person, country or city. That's all for today's video. I hope you understood the topic well. Take care. Bye-bye.